What's up, good people? It's your girl Wangari Kamau, and you are so much welcome again to my YouTube channel. If you're already a subscriber, and if you're a new subscriber, karibu sana. This is the place to be. This is the place to be. Okay, so guys, today we're gonna be cooking some spaghetti. So the simple way. Oku tuliambia tu maneno ni simple. Uko to complicate. We're just simple. We just simple. As simple as that is, okay? Okay. So let's get into the video. So guys, with me here, we do have our spaghetti over here. I've cut them into two pieces. We have our onions. We have our tomatoes. We have our onions. We have our salt, and we have some garam masala. So I just wanna feel a flavor of something in this, okay? And definitely we have our oil. So, and this one how is it called? Like, yeah, ile kabisa. So I'll just call it siva. So yeah, let's get into this. We bring our water. We will let our water boil, okay? I had forgotten to put some salt so that when we boil our spaghetti, it will boil with the salt, okay? Okay. Okay. So water's come to a boil. And we're gonna add in our spaghetti. Pandani kwa hii sieve. Manzemi I'll call it a sieve. I will call it a sieve. Because inakakaa kichungi, si ndio? Then we
beautiful, wonderful, beautiful is what you are. Beautiful, wonderful, beautiful. Can I look at you? Can I be with you? Can you be?
it's enough. Mi wasingoji nini mafuta heat up. So I'm just gonna add my onions. Wacha ziviange tu mbele. You getting me? We have the heat up. These are already peeled. They don't have the skin. Ile skin ya juu. I've already peeled them. Sasa I just love adding any spice. Remember this is the garam masala. I don't know if you can see. Okay. Whatever. So, na add tu kadogo. I love adding my whatever spice I want. Haitoki. Imeisha. At this stage, yeah, so that's ingana na kinanyanya. Okay. Hey. Ni mimi hapa back left paparazzi. Because nimetoa hiyo skin ya juu so we gotta chill. Tushinde tu tumeibonda bonda. Ndio hizo big chunks zikufe, okay? Acha ive kiasi. So we already cooled our boiled spaghetti, can you see? So it may drain, so we put it here.
On s'est rencontrés, j'avais pas levé. J'avais tous les mecs sur le bas-côté. Fais belle et tu vas câbler. Je me suis rendu, prends-moi cadeau. Dans les recoins de ma tête, y'a comme un truc qui m'a fait. Suis-le, faut pas se leurrer, c'est ma conscience qui me l'a dit. Ok, je suis la cible, je tout le packaging. Je ok. Traite-tu de base.